Is your HP printer producing blurry, smudged, or unclear text that's just hard to read properly? Blurry text on the HP printer can be caused by a wide range of issues, including a clogged or dirty printhead, incorrect print quality settings, the wrong paper type being used, etc. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest and the most effective fixes to get your HP printer producing sharply, crisp, and perfectly clear text again. And if your printer shows blurry results even after that, then you can call the numbers on the screen for quick help from our experts. Alright then, let's fix your printing issue now. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, make sure your printer is connected to your smartphone device and open the HP Smart app. Next, you should tap on the HP printer name. On the Open page, scroll down a bit and tap on the Alignment and Maintenance option. Now, tap on the OK to move forward with the process. After that, you should insert some sheets of paper in the document tray. Once that's done, you should choose the Alignment button under the Align Cartridge option. Now, wait for a while and let your printer print the alignment page. Next, check the printed page and choose the correct option on the app accordingly. Once you have the selected option of all four values, then click on the Apply option. Finally, print a fresh page and see if the blurry text issue is fixed or not. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.